Alright, we're at the Museum of Toiletries, and we're standing in front of Frida Kahlo's Without Hope, in 1945. And you see, in this picture, she's exhibiting pain, she's exhibiting discomfort, and
it does, yes, indeed look painful. Timelessness. Why do you say timelessness?
Well, you see, there is actually a sun on the right side and a moon on the left side, and it's bleak. The entire thing is bleak. The color palette.
You know, the sun kind of reminds me of an orange. It looks tasty.
You know, it does look pretty appetizing, but that's not the point of this picture. It's to show her discomfort, her disgust, and her sickness.
What's her sickness? I can see she does definitely look uncomfortable because she has that enormous funnel of barbecue, going into her mouth.
Yes, it's a funnel, and it's about her illness that she had. And around on September 17th in 1925, she actually got into an accident. It was a bus accident, and a pole went straight through her uterus and damaged a bunch of other parts.
Yeah, I remember that happening to me.
You remember that day?
No.
No.
I'm lying. Okay. Yeah. So, but it looks pretty bad.
Yeah.
What's that? I'm noticing the blanket that is above her. She's laying under it, and it has these little circular pictures on them. What do those represent? I can't really make them out well, but it looks almost like a children's blanket. Does that have any significance?
It does. She usually incorporates a lot of her own culture and Mexican folk art into her pieces. So it's a part of her. So as you can see, her body position, she's laying down and she's pinned under the covers, which indicates that she has no control over what's happening here. And from her illnesses, her doctor actually prescribed bed rest and lots of fattening foods because of all the medication and sickness had made her very thin.
Now she was unable to move during this period of time, right? She couldn't get out of bed.
She had a lot of back problems.
It looks like she represented that pretty well in the picture. She's looks completely immobile and unfortunately for her stuck. And it's it looks like she's crying as well.
She is crying. She's crying from just the frustration of her sickness,
right? And
all of the pain and all the discomfort, sadness that it's brought her, along with her marriage with Diego.
And and I can imagine. And with the meat, the meat just looks. The picture takes on a very.
It's not supposed to look appetizing. It's very.
That's what I was going to say. Yeah, it has a disgusting feel. The meat looks raw. It looks. It's grotesque. It's just. You
have lots of red. You have lots of orange.
Yeah,
And usually a lot of that combination of colors usually makes a person think of like regurgitation.
It is. It gives you a very uncomfortable feeling just looking at it. Now, what's with the skull at the top? It's it's kind of just staring.
That's
back.
more of her tying in. Once again, her culture, and
that's right.
It's a sugar skull. So that's Mexican
skull
tradition.
Is it actually made out of sugar?
Yes, it's made out of sugar.
So I could lick it and eat it.
Anyway, on the back of the picture, she actually wrote in Spanish, "Not the least hope remains for me. Everything moves in step with what's in my belly." And obviously, everything's being regurgitated, which means that nothing's in her belly. So it's almost like she's in a timeless state. She's in a place where the world isn't moving around her, and she's in complete solitude. She's alone.
Right. So she's gotten to a point where her concept or perception of time is just completely,
it's
doesn't
non-existent.
exist,
Yeah,
right?
it's non-existent anymore.
Wow.
So
that's rather terrible.
It is. It is.
So what's the deal with her unibrow?
She just she loves her unibrow. She doesn't want to shave it. It's a part of her. It's kind of beautiful.
Me too. What? Oh, okay. So speaking of pain and
that's what your piece is about, right?
Yes, right. So we're gonna move from the whole idea of portraying inner sadness and turmoil onto a painting. to Fransisco de Goya. So now we are looking at the picture called Saturn devouring his son. Now,
there's lots of dark colors used in this, lots of muddy.
Yes, yeah, it's a darker composition than the Frida Kahlo one. This one, you could say that it sort of represents a lack of time, but this one really, like you said, is the dark compositions in the background, so it's this black void that we have here. It's dark. It's a very evil feeling picture.
And even the body position suggests
he's
uncomfort, twisted, very demented person.
Exactly. He looks in his facial expression, like you said, his body movement, everything looks, it's twisted, it's sick.
Now, I'm going to ask, he's supposed to be devouring a boy, correct?
Now, there's no evidence for this picture that it's supposed to be a male, because if you actually look at the body, the lower half of the body that he's eating has a round buttocks and wide hips.
Buttocks.
And, nice legs. And
yes.
It's pretty sexy. But, yeah. Speaking of arousal, since you mentioned that, right? You did mention that.
I did. I don't know.
Yes. So the figure in it, the giant Saturn creature, initially, interestingly enough, supposedly Goya painted him with a semi-erect penis. Now, when they found these pictures, the black paintings. This is one of 14 of his black paintings, which were these dark, paintings that he did directly on the walls of his house, which is rather
Does this have something? Does this tie in with the deaths of his children?
It could. That's what. So it's possible that it could tie into the death of the children, because he only had one that grew up into adulthood, Javier, but the rest of them, the other 15, he had quite a few kids. No one knows for sure, but he had a lot of them. They all died from illness or for whatever other reason. But again, the idea of this being I'm sorry about that. We're in the
technical difficulties.
The museum, and there are
some douchebags
running around
on their phones.
They're
obviously a place of art, and they need to respect that.
Okay, all right. Somebody needs to sit down, relax.
I'm sitting down.
Okay.
Look, there he goes again.
Beat that nigga up, man. Oh. All right, I'm sorry. Back to business. So, as I was saying, the creature that he's eating, yes, there are several interpretations of what this could represent. Now, Goya never actually gave this picture a name, and he never said anything about it. So the whole Saturn devouring his son with the mythos that came from the Greek mythology of Kronos eating his children, that story, that was attributed to the painting later from other people. No one knows what people assume that Goya, this may have had to do with either his children or his disdain for the civil unrest in Spain at the time, and some believe that.
Do you think maybe it could be a little bit of both?
It could.
The thing that I'm thinking is, by his expression, he seems remorseful, like he's not even in control of his own actions. Like he doesn't actually look like he wants to be devouring his kin.
Certainly, with that said, he looks, like you said, confused. He looks remorseful. He looks upset, and as if he has no control over this, and he's doing this, and so the Saturn Kronos figure can represent Spain, and the creature, or the figure that he's devouring, can be an allegory for all of his kin, the children of Spain, of the mother and fatherland. But the whole female figure could be because his wife, by the time he made this painting, as one of all the black paintings, by that time he had gone deaf, and his wife was dead.
Right. Okay.
And there's also, historically, he's had a strained relationship with his one son Javier that grew up. But
maybe that could be exhibited in the distortion of the figure almost.
Yeah,
it's not realistic looking.
And you had mentioned earlier, Maya, about the possibility that this could represent the rather simple idea that this is simply his children that we're talking about, the devouring. And actually, we have someone, J. Scott Morgan from The Mystery of Goya's Saturn. It was a journalistic, academic take on it. He said, this is his quote: "Did the early deaths of..."
Just breathe, man.
I'm sorry. That was
yeah.
All right.
I'm dying. Continue.
All right. So this is an academic portion from The Mystery of Goya Saturn by J. Scott Morgan.
Right.
And Morgan said in this quote, he said, "Did the early deaths of his other children, reflected upon in the solitude of the Quinta del Sordo, the house he moved into in 1819, 7 years after Josefa died, inspire Goya's vision of the cannibal god? Was he portraying his sense of potential cutoff, of lives interrupted before they can begin?" So, that is a very well put interpretation of the possible idea that this could be talking about his children. But the more commonly accepted idea is that it's the whole Spain civil unrest idea, because actually I shouldn't say more commonly. Most people assume that it's based off of the mythology, but again, there's no evidence that Goya meant for this to be related to the mythology. The mythology has to do with the Greek story of Kronos.
And I feel like, other than that, the painting is really beautiful, and just the way that it's painted.
It is. He used oils, just oils, and he painted it, like I said, directly on the walls of his house. What?
It's a gorgeous painting. The lighting.
What are you whispering?
Oh my God! It's a great painting. Hey, Jose! We're gonna fail!
Dang it, man! Come on. What are you saying?
I was trying to end it because you're going on too long.
I know I was.
Going on for like 7 minutes. People don't want to stare at the painting.
How long is this supposed to be, this project?
Like 5 minutes, right?
Dang.
We went on for like 10 minutes. 12 minutes.
He was talking too much.
Oh.
He's an idiot.
Bye, everybody.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.